yeah, there's all kinds of things that could have happened. Hey, come on. That was, and that difference makes a difference. It makes a big difference. You know, that is then. This is now is not a trivial point, and right. And I mean, CEPO is kind of also a little bit heavy-handed with it sometimes because it forces us to take steps that we probably don't want to take, such as upgrading certain things, you know, and requiring us to do extra of their paperwork. Okay, not just of taking the legal load and putting it on us, and taking the paperwork load and putting it on us, etc. Right?